It was a really beautiful new boat and we had no troubles with the booking or finding them or anything. We had an incredible day exploring the area and snorkeling off the boat. Highly recommend. Only small complaint was the lack of support with docking at the end of the day. We were yelled at with unhelpful directions by a woman on the dock. It would have been great to get some idea ahead of time how they wanted us to help with docking. The young people helping out though were sweet and helpful with our things and with information at the start. Great experience all around. The staff are very helpful, and the boats are perfect for accessing the snorkeling spots around Bonaire and Klein Bonaire. We had a fantastic time. Upon arrival, Daniel helped us onto the boat and gave us a good explanation. There was a cooler with ice waiting for us, fantastic. Any questions we had were answered thoroughly. We left the harbor feeling good. We had a fantastic day on the water. Upon our return, Daniel was back at the harbor to help us more. We had a blast. Our family of 4 had a great full-day experience on the 19-foot center console. We had a captain, Daniel, who was experienced, knowledgeable and very friendly. Daniel made the day a pleasure and we were able to see all of the top spots effortlessly. We will definitely use palm boats again while in Bonaire. We rented the boat with Captain Daniel so we could fully enjoy ourselves. Daniel was knowledgeable and very friendly, and he took us to the most beautiful snorkeling spots. Highly recommended. Highly recommend renting a boat from Palm Boats on your trip to Bonaire. Daniel was awesome to work with, he explained everything very thoroughly and showed us all the spots on the map where we could tie up the boat to get out and snorkel. We came from a cruise ship and I'd highly recommend doing this over an excursion with a bunch of other people. We loved being on our own and having a break from big groups. Definitely the best snorkeling we've ever done and had the time of our lives. There is a reason everyone says Bonaire is the best for snorkeling. It was incredible. We are already planning another trip to Bonaire and we will definitely be renting from Palm Boats again. We took our kids 18, 14 and 7 years old and we all had a blast. Highly recommend them. We had a wonderful day with the Voyager grouper. We were warmly welcomed and briefed by Daniel. We sailed to Klein Bonaire and along the coast. At the end of the day, we returned and were welcomed again by the crew from Palm Boats. All in all, a fantastic experience. We had a wonderful day exploring the sea in Klein Bonaire. The staff was exceptional and very helpful and kind. We were a bit late and they still accommodated us with open arms. Wonderful experience.